Jitters. I'm just gonna probably eat and talk to you guys about like lockdown and stuff and how things are going. I wrote down some topics to discuss. I don't know why I will get nervous for live videos, but I am. Good morning, everyone! It's Friday morning. I hope you guys are having an awesome Friday. I'm seeing that the highway is completely blocked with a ton of cars. I'm really not sure what's going on, but I hope you guys are safe and okay. Still locked down, guys, so we should be home. Remember that if you continue to Lyme and you're going out as if everything is happy and dandy, it's gonna make things a lot worse because in the long run, a lot more persons will get the virus and then lockdown will be more strict. So just by staying home, guys, you're stopping the spread of the virus. I gotta do a live video today. Woohoo! I'm going to start practicing actually looking at the camera and not at myself because it looks much better that way. So you know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go. Let's go do this live. Hi, my squishy baby. How you doing, sugar muffin? I was worried about you. I didn't know where you were. Booga, booga, booga. Hey, boy. How you doing? How you doing? You have a ball? Jabba, jabba. So it's a word. Pee me, pee. Pee me, pee me. Booby. Booby. What's up? I love them so much. You know it's time for my yummy oat mixture. So I'm thinking I'm gonna eat and just do my live. You shouldn't really eat and talk though at the same time. I was thinking to sit here because the lighting is better in the kitchen and I'm going to do a kitchen madness today. I'm finished. She started to sweat because it's hot in here. It's hot. So I'm just gonna finish my breakfast and then I'll probably do my breadstick and tomatoes. So it's kitchen madness video. Doesn't it look absolutely amazing? Oh. Alright guys, I'm finished. I love my tomato paste and mom just messaged and said that she wanted me to do the Roku chicken. What a morning. I'm feeling a bit burnt out, a bit tired, yeah. I'm a bit burnt out. So
Can you say toe?
Toe.
May.
May.
Toe.
Toe.
Tomato.
Manamito.
Alright guys, it's time to get in my comfy spot. I gotta edit my IGTV video for the tomato paste and twisted breadsticks, as well as my vlog from yesterday. Guys, so I've just finished editing my IGTV video. It's up on Instagram now. And I'm exhausted. Still have to edit my video vlog from yesterday and upload it. It's snack time, so I'm gonna eat first and then do that. Doing live today was great. And I thank you all so much for your support and love. Playtime, boys. You're so good. Wait for it. Wait for it. Go. I tricked them. Look how confused they are. I have it still. Booga booga. Boogie boogie. Good boy. Simba. Where's your ball, Simba? What are you guys doing there? Do you like the feel of the grass in your hair? Cute. Booga booga. So pretty. My two handsome boys. Another beautiful day. Ooh, produce. Alright guys, my video vlog is uploaded on YouTube. Go check it out, as well as Facebook. You know where it is. Positive energy only, guys. Let's stick to it. And my live video.
The law is more serious. We've taken a progressive approach, and therefore the individual rights are obviously in balance with the national rights.
And that's a danger in doing home quarantine. primary contacts, secondary contacts, and all known contacts. Physically disadvantaged. We want to reach them first with these free masks. So, tackling NCDs is a governmental approach which I have outlined, and the
Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Didi and welcome back to another episode of Didi's Kitchen Madness. Today I'm
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.